To start with my eye makeup, I am applying some light concealer on my eyelids. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vallari. This video is going to be about this easy eye makeup which can be achieved within minutes. It doesn't matter whether you are a beginner or a pro at makeup, this makeup is going to be very easy. I am applying some loose powder over the concealer that I used. To start with the eye makeup, I am applying some kohl on my eyelids. You can even use a gel liner for this purpose. If you are using a kohl like this one, be careful with the application. These types of kohls tend to smudge a lot. Just keep the application very precise. Next, with the help of a Q-tip, I am smudging this kohl. You can smudge it with your fingers also. It will save you a lot of time. If you are going to use a gel liner, you have to work really fast. You can't apply gel liner on both your eyes and then smudge it. You have to work one by one. As I am using this kohl which is really wet, I can take my time and smudge it. These types of kohl do not dry easy. You don't have to worry about the shape as I am going to blend the next shade around it. For this eye makeup, I am going to be using this palette by Minimalist. First I am blending this shade around the kohl that I smudged. It will create a nice smoky effect. To blend the shade, I am using a small blending brush. I am going around the kohl in circular motion. I am also blending this shade with my eye open, so that when my eye is open, this shade should be visible. Next I am going to take this shade and use it as a transition color. I don't want to keep this area blank, so I am blending it. Next I am going in with the previous shade again. I am blending this shade on my lower lash line. I am using a small pencil brush for this. Next I am going to take this pink shimmery shade. I am applying this shade with the help of a flat brush. Next I am going in with this dark brown shade. With the help of an angular brush, I am applying it on my lower lash line. I am keeping it close to my lash line. Next I am going to apply this light shade on my brow bone as a highlighter. I am also going to use this shade on my inner corner. It will brighten up my eyes. Next I am tightlining my eyes with the help of a kohl. I am also going to apply the kohl on my waterline. You can really see how quick this makeup is. Next I am going to apply some mascara. If you don't want to apply falsies, you can stop right there. I am going to apply some false eyelashes. I am going to apply them as close to my lash line as possible. When you apply false eyelashes, you need to have a mirror right in front of you. You need to look down and then apply the false eyelashes. All the products I am going to mention in the description box below. Next I am going to apply some liquid lipstick. And that's it for today's look. This is the final look. You see how easy it was, but how glamorous it looks. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.